show you how I style my 4th, my 3rd, my 5th day hair. So I only wash my hair once a week. When I say once a week, it's, you know, sometimes I'll go the full 7 days, but it's most of the time it's every 6 days, or sometimes it happens I will wash it twice a week. So my hair naturally is very dry, but ever since I bleached it, it's even more dry and damaged. So if you have bleached hair, I would definitely recommend not to wash your hair more than twice a day. I don't like to wash my hair too often because first of all, it takes a while to style it, and also it's just much better for your hair. Of course, I don't let my hair smell, you know. I'm very particular with smell. I like to smell good, so if my hair doesn't smell nice, like, I would not leave the house with smelly hair. That's just not my thing. So of course, on like the last day, I need to wash my hair, you know. I will say right now my hair doesn't look bad. I've actually been using a lot of oil this week because it was curly. So when my hair is curly, I tend to use more oil. Like before I go to bed, I'll put some oil in my hair just so when I wake up my hair is, you know, nice. So I feel like this week my hair is not as fluffy, you know, as usually, because I'm only washing my hair in 2 days. So I want to do like a cute little pony. But yeah, I don't think my hair looks bad right now. It actually looks kind of cute. My curls are still there from a couple days ago, but I want to do a pony. So I'm gonna show you. So first of all, I've been brushing my hair a lot more recently. This one is from T3. I don't want to show you because there is some hair. I've been brushing my hair a lot more recently. I used to never brush my hair because I used to have more of a natural like texture to my hair. You know, it would be a little curly. So I was like, why would I brush that out? I like what my hair looks like when it's just air dried and, you know, texturized. But I have been brushing it now because you can bring the oils from your scalp to your ends. So especially with me, it's very important to do because, as I said, my hair is not really oily. So I want to, you know, the little bit of oil I have at my scalp, I want to make sure I bring it down. Okay, I want to talk about dry shampoo a little bit. Now, I don't recommend using dry shampoo that much. I use dry shampoo. I think it's great to add volume and texture. Dry shampoo can definitely dry out the hair. Now, I use dry shampoo, but I don't use too much, you know. What I'll do is, you know, like a day like today where I did put a lot of oil in my hair already, I would, you know, just go at the roots like that. And these smell really, really amazing. This is from L'Oreal Paris. It's the Magic Shampoo. But this is the Fresh Crush scent. I mean, all the scents are really good from this. I really like the pink one, but this smells like blue slush. You know, like the blue flavor slush. It smells really, really good. So I will just go like around the perimeters, you know, like this, and I will go here. So yes, I will use dry shampoo, but definitely not every day. I'll only use it like on the last day or two, and only a little bit because it's supposed to remove the oils. But if you want healthier hair and your hair is dry, I would recommend not to use it too much. So okay, now, you know, of course I do brush it out like this. I'm gonna do a ponytail with my hair extensions. Now, hair extensions is a great way for me. I really like using my extensions because, like, I'm not going to be adding more heat to my hair. I'm just going to make sure my hair blends really well with the extensions. So my extensions are already curled because I wore my hair curly this weekend. Hair extensions are from Irresistible Me. I have done a video where I showed you how I colored my extensions, so I'll list that down below. Well, the set I have comes with this really big, thick weft. Look at that. Look at all this hair. So it just makes it so much easier to like blend with your hair. So there's plenty of different ways to do ponytails with hair extensions. Some ways are just not comfortable for me, so I'll show you what I do. I'm gonna part my hair like this, and I'm gonna start with a 3-clip weft like this, and I'm just gonna clip my extensions like I would if I was to wear my hair down. Now, I think a very popular way to clip in your extensions when you want to do a ponytail is to clip them upside down. So when you put your hair up, it all goes together really well. I tried that technique. It just doesn't really work for me. I feel like it really hurts my head more. And again, I'm taking a 3-clip weft. I clip it again, then I'm gonna take another section. Okay, and then usually when I wear my hair down with my extensions, I will put this clip at the bottom, but when I want to do a ponytail, I put it more like at the top right here because this is the largest area of my head. And then I'm gonna clip my hair again, and then I'm moving on to the smaller wefts. And now this is strange, but I'm again just gonna clip it like this, flat. Now I would not clip hair extensions like this if I was wearing it down because you would definitely see it, but I'm gonna put my hair up, so it's all gonna work out. And then at the roots, like right here, I'm just gonna take like this area, which is like my bangs, and I'm gonna do my last clip. Okay, so right now I have all the clips going like this, like that. I know it sounds crazy what I'm doing. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna grab a hair tie like this, and I'm gonna put my hair up. Now this is the best way I found for a non-professional like me that I like to do my pony with extensions. You know, you might not be like carpet ready, but you're like everyday ready. So I'm making sure, you know, it's as flat as possible. Now I like kind of a messy pony. I don't mind if there's some little bumps and stuff. I really don't mind. I'm not like a really sleek kind of person. I'm a messy person, you know. So I will put my hair up now. Of course, with this, you know, with this method of clipping the extensions, you won't be able to do like a super high pony because it's just not going to be comfortable with the extensions the way they're clipped in. But you can definitely do like a pretty high pony. I hope I'm not breaking my hair tie. This is a workout, let me tell you. So now we have the ponytail. Now I kind of like to have, you know, some couple of hairs here. Now as I said, you know, it's not too sleek looking, but that's okay. And I'm gonna try to tighten my pony like this to make it look, hey, how you doing? Yeah, I definitely tried this with straight hair. It doesn't look as good. You can definitely you know, tell what's my hair, what's the extensions. And you know, this is kind of it. Now if there's some little bumps, you can do a little bobby pin like this. Usually I like to take one little piece of hair like this from the top or like under the pony, and I'll just wrap it around and I'll just clip this. I also have these little hairs right here, which I really don't like, so I will bobby pin those as well. I've been wearing my hair in kind of a high pony kind of a lot recently. That's what it looks like from the side. And I just want to add some oil to my hair. Now I don't use this so much on my own hair. I use this mainly because on my own hair I use like actual argan oil like this, and then but when I style my hair, when I curl and stuff, I will apply this all over kind of. This is by Chi. It's the Color Nurture Dry UV Protecting Oil. The only reason I'm saying I don't necessarily use this a lot on my own hair is just because this is a dry oil. You know, it's not like an actual argan oil that's gonna really nourish the hair. It's more like for shine and stuff, but I do really like this, and it smells really good as well. So I will apply this. But this is one of my favorite hairstyles right now because I don't have to use heat on my own hair. You know, at the end of the week, usually my curls will last a couple of days, but then towards the end, you know, I kind of lose my curls a little bit because I did a keratin treatment, so my curls don't last as long, which I did a video on my keratin treatment if you want to watch that. So I like this because it makes me look put together. It's really cute, and I don't have to use heat on my own hair. I don't have to use an insane amount of like dry shampoo if my hair really needs to be washed. So It's a great like protective style, I want to say. You know, I don't have to touch my own hair so much. And personally, I like a high pony, or just a ponytail in general. I think it looks really cute. I like it. I like it with this outfit as well. And you know, it still looks glam because all the hair is curled and it looks really cute. So this is how I style my dirty hair. I don't want to say dirty hair because I don't think my hair is dirty right now, but you know, this is how I style my hair when, you know, I need to wash it soon. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to go film a Boohoo haul. So this blazer is actually from Boohoo, which I'll show you in the video. My little necklace is from Urban Planet, if you're wondering. And for my makeup, I did my makeup on Instagram, so if you want to go see how I did that, it's going to be saved in my highlights under makeup. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will have plenty more hair tutorials coming up soon, but if you want to watch my other hair related videos, so how I got my color, all my hair extensions, all my own hair, how I bleach my hair at home, it will be listed down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, I really hope you do, and you can thumbs up this video, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye!